Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best egg incubator for duck eggs that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Mimike Incubator. This incubator is ideal for small-scale farming or educational purposes, thanks to its compact design and versatile features. It has a capacity for up to 12 eggs, with automatic egg turning every 2 hours to mimic a natural hen's behavior. The 360-degree airflow system ensures uniform temperature and humidity distribution, eliminating hotspots and improving hatching success rates. Its detachable design makes cleaning easy, and the transparent observation window allows you to closely monitor the hatching process, making it an excellent choice for classrooms or home use. The Mimike stands out for its user-friendly design. The humidity control system is powered by dual external bottles, which reduce the need for constant refilling during the incubation process. The digital temperature display allows precise adjustments, ensuring optimal conditions for the eggs. On top of that, the incubator is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 3-year limited warranty, and lifetime technical support, providing excellent peace of mind for buyers. On the downside, while the Mimike Incubator offers good functionality, its smaller capacity may not suit those looking to incubate more than 12 eggs at once. Additionally, some users may find the absence of customer reviews compared to other models a bit concerning. Overall, this incubator is a solid choice for beginner incubators or those with small-scale needs. Coming in at number 4 is the Silven Spark Kitchen Incubator. This model is packed with advanced features, including PID temperature control for precise thermal stability and a humidity management system with dual external water tanks for hands-free operation. It's designed for a capacity of 12 duck or chicken eggs, making it perfect for home use or educational demonstrations. The integrated LED candling function lets you monitor embryo development with ease, while the 360-degree transparent dome provides an unobstructed view of the hatching process. One of the highlights of the Silven Spark Kitchen Incubator is its robust safety features, such as over-temperature protection and a child-safe locking lid. It's constructed from food-grade ABS material and includes removable stainless steel trays that are dishwasher-safe, simplifying maintenance. The compact design is ideal for those who want professional-grade performance without sacrificing space efficiency. However, the Silven Spark Kitchen Incubator falls slightly behind due to its limited capacity and relatively higher price point compared to competitors. While it's a great option for small-scale hatching, larger operations may find its size restrictive. Nonetheless, its precision controls and durable build make it an excellent investment for users seeking reliability and ease of use. At number 3, the Anzu Egg Incubator sets itself apart with its larger capacity of up to 18 standard eggs, or 40 small eggs, making it suitable for both small farms and hobbyists. This incubator features precision temperature control with built-in airflow circulation for even heat distribution. Its automated humidity system ensures consistent moisture levels, reducing the need for manual refills. The programmable egg rotation system allows customizable turning intervals, and it intelligently pauses turning 4 days before hatching to maximize success rates. The Anzu incubator excels in performance thanks to its integrated LED candling light, which simplifies monitoring embryo development. The 360 degrees transparent dome offers easy visibility without disturbing the eggs, making it ideal for educational demonstrations or home use. The model is also solidly built with durable ABS material and an intuitive user interface for hassle-free operation. While the Anzu incubator offers excellent functionality, its slightly larger size may not fit every space. Additionally, it is a newer product with limited customer reviews, which could make potential buyers hesitant. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Anzu is an outstanding choice for those looking for a mid-range incubator that balances capacity, features, and ease of use. At number 2, the IB Kinex Incubator impresses with its thoughtful design and reliable performance. This incubator accommodates up to 12 eggs and features an automatic egg turner that allows users to choose the turning frequency once every 60, 120, or 180 minutes. Its constant temperature and humidity controls are displayed on an easy-to-read LED screen, ensuring optimal hatching conditions with minimal effort. The external water refill system is a standout feature, allowing users to maintain humidity levels without opening the incubator, which helps prevent temperature fluctuations. The IB Kinex Incubator is built with user convenience in mind. Its transparent dome provides a 360-degree view of the hatching process, and the built-in egg candling light lets you monitor embryo development without additional tools. The durable ABS construction and easy-to-clean design make it suitable for regular use, whether in a home, farm, or classroom setting. While the IB Kinex is highly functional, it ranks slightly below the top spot due to its smaller capacity compared to other models. Additionally, some users may find its design less premium than higher-end incubators. Nevertheless, with its strong feature set and excellent customer ratings, the IB Kinex is a fantastic choice for those seeking reliability and simplicity. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Abdo Hatch Pro 12. This incubator combines advanced features with user-friendly design for an unparalleled hatching experience. With its precise temperature and humidity controls, automatic egg turner, and upgraded adjustable air vent, the Hatch Pro 12 ensures optimal conditions for hatching duck eggs. The 360 degrees transparent window lets you observe the entire incubation process up close, making it both educational and captivating. One of the standout features of the Abdo Hatch Pro 12 is its dual external water bottles, which reduce the need for frequent refills and simplify humidity management. The detachable design makes cleaning a breeze, and its advanced airflow circulation eliminates hot or cold spots, ensuring consistent temperature and humidity distribution. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, 3-year limited warranty, and lifetime technical support, this incubator offers excellent value and peace of mind. While the Abdo Hatch Pro 12 is packed with features, it does come at a higher price point compared to simpler models. However, for those seeking reliability, performance, and ease of use, this incubator is a clear winner. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced poultry farmer, the Hatch Pro 12 delivers professional-grade results every time. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.